Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna solve this nice equation. So we have x to the third power minus 2x to the second power minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Let's start to see how we can solve this. We rewrite it here. We have x to the third minus 2x to the second minus x plus 2 equals to 0. So if we observe these numbers we have here, we see that we have x to the third here and minus x here, and over here we have 2x the second, and here we have a 2. So we take the common factor from x to the third and x, so we can write it as x times x to the second minus 1. From these two numbers, 2 to the x to the second plus 2, we can take common factor minus 2. So inside we have x to the second minus 1, and all of this equals 0. Here we see that we have again common factor x to the second minus 1, so we can rewrite it as x to the second minus 1 times we have x minus 2 equals to 0. So here, when examine our solutions, we have from the first one that x to the second minus 1 equals to 0, or from the second x minus 2 equals to 0. From the first one we have x to the second equals to 1, or take both sides square root. So we have that x equals plus minus 1 from this one, and from this one we have that x equals to 2. So we have three solutions. We can make a quick check to see if the solutions are right for this equation. For x equals 1, we have 1 to the third minus 2 times 1 to the second minus 1, minus 1 plus 2. This is 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. This and this gone, this and this gone, so this is equals to 0. So our first solution, x equals 1, is right. Let's go for the second. X equals to minus 1. We have minus 1 to the third minus 2 times minus 1 to the second minus minus 1 plus 2. This is minus 1. This we have minus 1 to the second is 1, so this is minus 2. This is plus 1. We have plus 2. This and this gone, this and this gone, so equals to 0. So again, this solution x minus 1 is right for the equation. Okay. Now let's do for our third solution, x equals to 2. So we have 2 to the third minus 2 times 2 to the second minus 2 plus 2. This is 8. This is minus 8 minus 2 plus 2. So this and this are gone, this and this are gone, equals to 0. So all three solutions are right for this equation, so we can accept them. Hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one.